Well, it looks like it works now. Kind of makes you wonder why everyone's replacing these when all you have to do is really spring back the connector, the little metal connector inside. I went to the junkyard and everyone's replacing these connectors because they say that they get burned up or something, and that may be the case. As you can see, this one's even worse. But what I ended up doing is I ohmed out continuity between these terminals. So these two over here went to alright, if you're looking at the connector like this lower left, upper left, and upper right go to the brake light on the passenger side. And colors match up too. If you take a look, you'd have that brown, black, and I guess one of the blues, which goes to my 3-wire brake. There's also a 2-wire brake, I guess, for this car, according to O'Reilly's. I don't know. They didn't have this one in stock, and I ordered it, but thank God I didn't replace it, because I looked and I had this from one of my previous salvage cars that was parting out. Long story short, what I did was I took this guy here, this pick, and all I did was bend up just this one, or maybe it was this one, but you see how this is kind of flush with the plastic, and then this one protrudes more. So it should spring out a little bit past the plastic, obviously, because, well, it's got to make contact. So you could even take a flathead screwdriver and bend that out a little bit, bend this out a little bit. Granted, the bulbs are going to go in a little bit harder, but that's what you want because you're trying to make contact. I didn't even mess around with these, but worst case, I was thinking I was going to stick like some kind of shim or something back here to push that out. Didn't end up having to do that because all I did was that, and as you saw, it worked. So I think we should forget about replacing these. Might be a better investment. The heat probably helps the metal spring back and reset the metal and lose contact. Anyways, when they spring out, then the bulbs burn out because it's intermittent, you know, spring back and forth. So this one's done. These are good. Yeah, because I actually took out the bulbs, and the bulb that was in there, but the brake wasn't working, was good. So I knew it had to be something with my electrical wiring. By the way, if you did want to check to see if there's a fault in the wiring, you just push this guy and you squeeze this. While pulling back, I did a little back and forth motion. There we go. And I put some dielectric grease on there on the pins. So if water does get in, hopefully it doesn't settle there. Before you put the grease on, you might want to use a computer duster or compressed air to get all the crap out. Well, we're discoing now. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Feel free to Venmo me some money if this helps you out. I gotta put my kids through college somehow.